Okay, so the HD use increased from 20% to 67%, and in 2011, 36% of US households had 4 or more television sets. Also, cable television in American households increased 70%, and the introduction of DVRs like the TiVo in 2007 increased from 20% to 41% in 2011. Recent developments also shows in this, it's another thing that it's mentioned, and as we can see in this chart, in 2014, according to Nielsen, the viewing trends of TV, traditional TV, went down for the age group of 18 to 24-year-olds. And I just found that interesting, although I think it's more because of the newer ways to watch TV and other things, either with a mobile device or other services. Now, the current status of home video is that we have more choices as consumers, that there is better information about products, thus we can make better choices and expand our choices, and because so many competitive prices for the manufacturers, we have better options. The CEA has 5 steps to select the right television. Select the right size, choose the aspect ratio, select your image, pick a display style, and get the right connection. To select the right size is just important because what they say is that there is one rule of thumb. You measure the distance from the picture to the seat and then divide the distance by 3. You will get the result is the smaller screen size, the smallest for the room, or you can divide it by 2 and the result is the largest screen size for that room. Also, you have to choose an aspect ratio, and that just means that, as you see in this chart, that you have to have a relationship between the screen and the width to the height. And so if you know what you want to do, then you will see that you can see in the chart how wide you want to have it or how big. The 2 aspects of format should concern you is the amount of lines of resolution and the aspect ratio. The lines is your image quality, and then we have standard definition, enhanced, and the HD or high definition. And the difference is that 480p or pixels lines interlace. It's just what any analog television can do. That's the standard. The enhanced is just a little bit higher and just meets the quality of any regular DVD. High definition is for Blu-ray or other that are HD content. To pick a display style, it's just the CRT, the LCD, plasma, and the projector. And what this does is the LCD just takes less space. It's a brighter image, but it's a narrow viewing angle. The plasma is wider viewing angle. The shiny screen reflects images from the room that it's put in. Now, the best value for wide viewing images is the projection or a projector. It uses the expensive light bulb that has to be replaced periodically, but is really the best option for a home theater. And the CRT, which is the most affordable, and it gives you a wide viewing angle. Now, the right connection just refers to the analog connection, which is the video connectors will move image to the monitor, and it's just the limited quality. And the HDMI, which most televisions come with and nowadays, and many also can be connected to a computer to view internet videos on a bigger screen. The factors to watch are that there'll be new monitors or new displays, which would be a 3D TV. The only con would be that you would have to purchase the 3D glasses to really experience what it is, and they could be really cheap or very expensive. Then the other options are the organic light emitting diodes, or the OLED, which just produce a crisp image without the backlighting. And this little image just shows you the difference between the LED or LCD and the OLED. So it's just self-emissive. It's a lighting unit, which is a pixel per unit, so it has more, and the colors are refined. And the last thing that we have is the smart TVs, which just allow you to access more things online. You're connected to any other device, and also you can use your TV to watch your third-party like Netflix or Hulu or YouTube. The delivery system, like I mentioned, is the time-shifted content, which is just your DVR, and it has increased since 2007. So the online distribution of video like Amazon and Google, Hulu, Apple TV, and Netflix has really changed how newer generations watch TV. And just to end, the conclusion the book says that the newer generations of home video just gives us the consumers the control of what we want to see and when we want to see it, and that we don't have to just go to a movie theater for a premiere of a new film. You could actually get access to premieres either buying a pay-per-view or other methods. They are pricier, but you could do it at home. And the consumer also can enjoy exclusive content that was only available at the movie theaters at the comfort of your home. And also by having a 3D resolution available, the movie experience of the theater can be experienced at home. And also it has expanded to video games. So this is just a little bit of our references with our text and other sources. And the quiz questions are very simple. What are the 3 general means of reception? The percentage of American households that own a TV currently, and the most important things that will become the future of home video. So these are the questions and answers, and just want to thank you for listening. Bye.